Good morning, America. Dr. Crespo here, psychologist, and welcome to the walking clinic. Today I got an instant relaxation tool to de-stress that's gonna work without drugs, and it is yawning. Believe it or not, intentionally yawning about 10 times will relax you. That's why you see Olympic athletes applying this right before a competition. They're not bored of winning, they're just getting ready for something. But don't believe me, just Google relaxation, yawning for relaxation, or athletes yawning for relaxation, and apply it. So there you have it. Try it. You take care. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook at Real Baron Crespo. You take care, and I'll see you online.